Diabetic conference.
Most revered the President since Dr. B.K. Krishna Manavarai, eminent guests, the Director since Dr. A. Ramakrishnan, participants and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to say I am the admirer of your President. In fact, it has created a lot of impact on me, and I try to learn a lot of public speaking from him. A couple of years back, I had a very rare opportunity of hearing his the keynote address delivered at Madurai. Immediately, I thought we should also visit our university and talk to the students, so I invited him. But somehow still I cannot succeed. I am quite sure he will be visiting our campus shortly. இப்போ எனக்கு ஒரு சங்கடம். சார் பேசின பிறகு எதை பேசுறது எதை பேசக்கூடாது தெரியல. ஏன்னா அந்த அளவிற்கு என்னென்ன ஆண்டர்பிரினர்ஷிப்பை பற்றி அந்த மெயின் தீமை பற்றி ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஹஸ் கவர்ட் எவ்ரிதிங். இன்னும் சுருக்க சொல்ல போனா ஒரு பழமொழி சொல்லுவாங்க, கொள்ளந்தொழில ஊசி வித்த கதையா இருந்து. அதே போலவே இப்போ see, this is the organization, the Sakti Institute, already proved, established as the successful entrepreneurs, business entrepreneurs, social entrepreneurs, green entrepreneurs, and even academic entrepreneurs. There are so many institutions, both business, education, and everything. They have already established, they have made a mark. Why I am saying this time, in the Sakti Institute, in the பூமிக்கு இந்த மலைக்கு அந்த சக்தி இருக்கிறது. அந்த சக்தி இருக்கும் பொழுது இந்த கேம்பஸில் நுழைவர்களுக்கெல்லாம் அந்த சக்தி ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக வரும். That entrepreneurship skill, the entrepreneurship competence. So that is natural. So that is why I am saying, and he said very briefly, so if you want to become an entrepreneur, what you should do? Even before starting this function, we had an opportunity to speak to him for a few seconds. நம்ம கேஷுவலாக ஒரு வார்த்தை சொன்னாங்க, வாய்ஸோட இருந்தால் போல் ஜெய் சொன்னார். அதான் பிஸ்னஸ். இன்னொரு வேறு சொல்லலாம். ஸோ அதனால ஸோ வாட் எவர் பி த திங், so you have that skill, the art of speaking, the skill of communicating. You can sell everything. You can market your ideas. You can market your products. So what is required basically for an entrepreneur is how you are going to develop this skill. அதே மாதிரி இன்னும் சில சுவாமி விவேகானந்தர் பற்றி சில கருத்துக்களை சொன்னாங்க. அதுதான் பேசிக் philosophy of management, basic philosophy of entrepreneurship. And it is again what we, as a student of management, we have already read, the achievement motivation. முடியும் என்றால் முடியும், முடியாது என்றால் முடியாது. அதனால இந்த entrepreneurshipல when you are going to take any activity, any venture, you first of all you must have the confidence. Yes, I can do it. Once you have that confidence, alam sakti, energy, the passion, the love, the vision. So if you have all these things, naturally you can succeed. So that is why what is required is how you have to develop that frame of mind. So I can simply say the entrepreneurship is your frame of mind. It is your mindset. So if you feel that you can, if you want to succeed, you can succeed. I know there is always what we are not talking about. Now you can see more than 1,500 business schools are operating in India. And almost every year, more than 150,000 students are coming out of these business schools with an MBA degree. And how many of us are taking up our own venture? So we feel, even if it is going to be a leading business school, so our desire, our ambition is, yes, we need to get to some sort of placement in MNCs and get the, what I can say, the rich income. It is okay. So whatever the present aim is, that's all. But when you see what is happening in the West, our friends from UK and our country will be able to tell us. In those countries, it is again, they work for a few years, get into business school, with their rich, experience, past experience, they also learn the modern techniques, innovations, and then come out and do their own venture. So, நமக்கு என்ன பிரச்சனைனா எடுக்கும் போதே டைரக்டா பிசினஸ் ஸ்கூல்ல சேரோம் MBA டிகிரி வருது வந்த உடனே நமக்கு வந்து எடுத்த உடனே ஒரு பிசினஸ் வெஞ்சர் ஆரம்பிக்கக்கூடிய தைரியம் இன்னும் வரல ஏன் வரல அனுபவம் கிடையாது what we learn in the classroom it is only the basic management principles finance management or human resource management and so on but what is happening in practice whether we have the confidence. If this MBA degree does not give you the confidence, then what is the fun? So what is required is, you must have that field experience, on-hand experience. So that is why, in other countries what people insist, even people who are enrolling for MBA should have a basic industry experience in their own experience for some period. Then you enter, then you also learn what was your experience, what is not taught, how you are going to solve. So, what is required is, now, this type of inhibition should be removed. So, that is very important. அதனால இப்போ நம்ம எடுக்கும் போதே அந்த பயம் எவ்வளவு இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்றது பணம் போட்ட பணம் வருமா வராதா ஜெயிக்குமா இல்லையா இந்த பயம் தான் it inhibits. அதனால நம்ம அந்த பிசினஸ்ல இறங்குறதுக்கு தயங்குறோம். So, what is safe course? Yes. What will be the school? Right. Safe, solid job. Right. But this is high risk at the same time high rewarding. Risk எடுக்கிறதுலாம் reward நிறைய. So it is an entrepreneur is always a risk taking. Not only risk taking and you want to overcome the risk. Sir, it is crisis management. Yes, you face the crisis. Already we have that art, we have that quality and we have the plan. So we are trying to solve the crisis. And when not only it is solving the crisis, you are also thinking innovatively, creatively. So it must come within the creativity. The creativity is not what I see what an external trying. It is within. It requires only your mind, the intelligence, the observation, your experience. So your observation, your experience can give you the new ideas. It is not only thinking about new ideas and how you are going to implement these ideas. It becomes an innovation. And how you are going to give a commercial value to it becomes an entrepreneurship. So what is required is, it is not only your intuition, it is your observation. Entrepreneurs, the success people, they learn from everything. So when I come here, so when I hear the speech of your president, I learn something. So learning from your friends, from your competitors, from your suppliers, from your customers, and from you and others. That is success of entrepreneurship. It is not only what we learn. We learn through many sources. And then we get our own ideas. We try to implement them. While implementation, what are the experiences? What are the difficulties? Then carefully you are testing it. And then trying to give the commercial, your market value entrepreneurship. So what is required is, I should say, when the idea behind this conference I understand, and he said beautifully. So this is what is, even this type of qualities must be exposed even to the rural area. So we must, the rural leaders, people should emerge as a leader. And they must be taught. It is not only the theory, what is entrepreneurship, etc., etc. and you must identify what are the inhibiting factors and how you must able to, sensitize our young friends here so that voluntarily they must acquire what are the qualities required to become a successful entrepreneur. So it is your locus, internal locus, your own confidence. So you feel, yes, I can do it. So it is your internal locus, and it is your own vision, and it is your own imagination, and it is your own passion. All these things certainly will help you to become a successful entrepreneur. And I am very happy to be here to inaugurate this program and enjoy your hospitality. And I am very happy. Once again, I had an opportunity of hearing the speech of your president, and I thank Mr. Ramakrishnan, the director, for the wonderful opportunity given to me. And I wish you all success, and I wish the conference a success. Once again, I thank you all. Thank you.